Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, a brief introduction about myself. I am Mariam Shahood, a second year MBBS student at KIMS Bhubaneswar. So, anyone who would have searched this video or tapped onto this must have passed class 12 or completed a drop year and is getting into the college. So, I was in the same situation 2 years back, thinking what all should I take to the college or what not. I needed someone. So here I am in your help too to declutter your mind about what all you need to take to the hostel. So let's go get into it without wasting any further time. So I'll be dividing the college and the hostel essentials into two parts. One, the most essential thing, you need to take them with you. And second, according to your convenience. If you want it or not, if you can have it or not. So let's go. First of all, let's talk about clothes. We all are very excited as a first year student. We will be wearing new outfits every day. Believe me, you're not going to wear. I also had the same thinking. Your first priority while bringing clothes should be your comfort. What clothes you are comfortable in. You will be wearing those only, and all other clothes will only be occupying your space. Bring clothes according to the weather conditions. So see the weather of the city, ask your seniors or ask the people who are living there कि कितनी ठंडी पड़ती है, क्या ज़रूरत पड़ता है, क्या नहीं, and उस हिसाब से अपने कपड़े ले जाओ. Secondly, bring a bag with you for carrying your books to the college, be it a school bag or a tote bag, according to your convenience, whatever you like. कॉलेज में तो ऐसा कोई restrictions नहीं होता है as such. Thirdly, extension cord, because most of the times we have very less switches in our room. So you will be having many digital appliances, your computer, your iPad, your phone, your speakers and many more things. So according to that, please bring an extension cord that's necessary for you all. Fourthly, water bottles. Bring at least 3 to 4 water bottles because you're not going to go every hour downstairs or even on the same floor to fill water bottles from the water coolers. So bring 3 to 4 big water bottles, insulated ones that once you fill in a day, it's enough for you. Something like this. It's too big, but accordingly bring. Fifth, table lamp, because maybe your room partner is not a night owl like you, so you have to cooperate. Sixth, hangers, because these minor things cause a lot of inconvenience if you are in the initial stages of your hostel life. Seventh, bed sheets. 3 से 4 bed sheets ले ही आना because some days we are not in the mood of laundry, right? And please search for fitted bed sheets, elastic bed sheets on Amazon. Get them. उसको लगाना is very easy. 8, blanket. Take 2 blankets. One a thin one and one a thicker one. Thin one can be used in summers too. 9th, heating pads for girls. Please take them with you because your mother won't be there to take care of you. You have to do all by yourself. You'll make friends there, don't be worried, they will take care of you too. 10th, a medicine box. Please take that with you, don't forget it because you may fall sick anytime. You are getting accustomed to a new city, to the new weather, and you may help one of your friends with it. So please take it. 11th, mirror, because we all are very excited to look at ourselves before going to the college. So please buy one there only in the city you are going to. उसको लेकर travel करना तो is not easy. 12th, kettle. Please don't forget this. You don't know how helpful this is going to be. This is going to be a lifesaver, believe me. पानी गर्म करना है, अंडे बॉयल करना है, बहुत मैगी बना सकते हो और बहुत लोगों ने तो फ्राइड राइस तक भी बना लिया है. So please bring that. 13th, utensils. इंडक्शन होता है बहुत सारे हॉस्टल्स में और रखने को तो अलाउड नहीं होता है बट रख लेते हैं. इंडक्शन रख सकते हो तो उसके हिसाब से यूटेंसिल्स ले आओ. 15th, your toiletries, your shampoo, your face wash, your loofah, your body wash, etc., including your skincare into it if you do that. And then 16th, the bucket and the mug for taking bath. Many times hostel only provide us with it, but if not, you can buy it from your nearby shop too. 16 storage boxes. There won't be enough space in your hostel room ever to accommodate all the things you have. So please bring it with you. A cupboard organizer, wardrobe organizer, utility organizers of your washroom. I ordered a cupboard 3 to 5 days back to just settle all my books into it because I didn't have more space for it. 17th, a bed table with which you can sit on the bed and study too in winters especially. 18th, a press for your clothes, for ironing your clothes. Most of the time it's not allowed in the hostel, but you can hide it. Okay, bring that for yourself because कितना laundry दोगे कपड़ों को, खुद से भी कुछ करना पड़ेगा. So please bring that with you. It's very important. And then 19th, bring a laundry bag for you for all your unwashed clothes because week में 1 से 2 ही बार laundry हो पाती है. So उसको store करने के लिए you need something. So bring a laundry bag. 20th, stationery, all you need, whatever it's pen or whatever your needs are. If you're an architect college or anything, bring that with you. 21st, a blow dryer or hair straightener if you want it. Bring a blow dryer with you because कभी बारिश होने लगती है or you have to leave for your college, you just have taken bath, to bring a blow dryer with you. And then 22nd, some snacks to munch it and storage boxes for storing it because एक ही बार जाके सारी grocery shopping कर लेते हैं, फिर इसको store करने के लिए we need something. So please bring that with. So these were all the things. I hope so and I believe that I summed up everything that is needed in the college, whatever is in front of my eyes. So if anything is left out, I'll just mention it in the disclaimer or the comment box. Check it out. And now come up to the things that you should bring according to your convenience. Fine. So you can choose one between iPad or MacBook because it will help you, believe me. बट इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि टैब या लैपटॉप लेना है तो एप्पल का ही लेना है. इट्स अकॉर्डिंग कि तुमको कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करना है, तुम्हारे लिए क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, तुम्हारा क्या नीड है. अकॉर्डिंग टू इट यू कैन ब्रिंग दैट. एंड अ स्पीकर. Once you are very bored from the college, like you just want to rejuvenate yourself, you are tired studying, you can just use a speaker, play some songs. किसी का बर्थडे है, you can take your speaker there. और एक कॉलेज एसेंशियल तो नहीं है, फिर कैंपस इज़ वेरी बिग लाइक और तुमको थोड़ा चलना पसंद नहीं है, यू कैन हैव अ व्हीकल. फर्स्ट ईयर में तो नहीं, सेकेंड ईयर में. आई ऑल्सो बॉट इट इन सेकेंड ईयर ओनली. अ स्कूटी, दैट्स द मोस्ट कन्वीनियंट थिंग. बहुत ज़्यादा माइलेज भी देती है और एवरीथिंग इज़ नाइस अबाउट स्कूटी. वो ले सकते हो. But still, according to your convenience, it's not at all important. Thank you all for supporting me and liking my videos. Comment down what all videos you need now and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.